In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show completed tasks in Todoist. If you're someone who likes to keep your workspace tidy, or if you just want to track your progress, knowing how to manage your completed tasks in Todoist can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and make sure your task management is efficient and clutter-free. First, open your web browser. We'll be navigating to the Todoist login page, so type in @todoist.com auth login into the address bar. This will take you directly to the sign-in page where you can access your Todoist account. Once you're at the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in the email address associated with your Todoist account. Make sure you enter the email correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, proceed to type in your password in the appropriate field. It's important to double check your password to ensure it's correct, as this will save you from any frustrating login errors. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a quicker method, Todoist offers you the option to log in using your Google, Facebook or Apple account. Simply click on Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook or Continue with Apple and follow the prompts. This can be especially handy if you're already logged into one of those accounts on your browser, allowing for a seamless and swift login. Once you're logged in, you'll need to head over to the specific project where you want to manage your completed tasks. Navigate to the project of interest from your Todoist dashboard. Now this is where we actually get to manage those completed tasks. In the top right corner of the project page, you'll find the View option. Click on this and you'll see the choice to toggle the completed tasks option. If you switch it on, all completed tasks within that project will become visible. This is a great way to review what you've accomplished and ensure nothing important is slipping through the cracks. Conversely, if you want a cleaner view or think seeing the completed tasks is overwhelming, toggle the option off. This will hide all those completed tasks, giving you a much more simplified view focused only on what's yet to be done. And that's it. Now you have the steps to either hide or review your completed tasks in Todoist, helping you tailor your workspace to your personal preferences and needs. Keep these steps in mind the next time you organize your day or review your projects, and enjoy that extra bit of clarity as you get things done. Thanks for watching.